Oh, that's a new one. Look, I have a face camera. What is going on? There we go. Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? Let's see. It is the 3rd of October of 2022. Oh, it's October already. It's October already. But welcome back. How we all doing today? The plan for today is to just do some open source stuff. We haven't done that in feels like a very long time. So we're just gonna do some things, I think. Maybe. We'll see. But we have a few subs to replay from before the stream. Before this, so we are going to replay those two. We've got Raisin, who's resubbed at 8 months. Thank you for your continued support. And come on. There we go. Grandpa's iPad. The Babis. I think TTS has changed a little. I feel like it used to say Babbies, but Babis. That's what it is now. But thank you for 2 years. Holy shit, Grandpa's iPad. 2 years, which gets you the current fanciest badge. I will need to get a fancier badge because I think someone's approaching 36, which I think is the next one. Still haven't done that. We'll do that at some point. But welcome back. Good to see you again, and thank you for all of your support. Let me say hi to everyone who's in chat, and then we will jump into open source since last time, and we will go from there. Looks like JJMC was first today. Hello, hello. Fixter Jake's also here. How you doing? The Dev Panda, welcome back. Chris Redwine, good to see you again. Raisin, good to see you again. Oh, this song is annoying. It has phone call. No, stop it. Indeed, Elsp is bits in a way that TTS. Stonkfish is here. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Tofu, how's it going? Good to see you again. DNL says, it be Monday. It be Monday indeed. Wholesome Thought, welcome back. Hello, hello. Trying to figure out why I accomplished nothing at work today, only figured it out just now. Same. But that was also because I was out Thursday, Friday. So I had like 40 emails to deal with when I came back. But I got through most of them. I guess story time. I went with Shotty to Oklahoma, which is a state that I have never been to before. And I don't know why I would go back, to be honest. But we went and saw the All American Rejects in concert, and it was awesome. But I was a little terrified at the concert. So the concert was held in a casino, and it must just be state laws here or there that are very different. The casino in Detroit, you get ID'd when you go in. They give you wristbands if you're over 21. They metal detect you at the door. There's like all sorts of security. At the concert in Tulsa, we just walked in the door. No one said anything. We scanned our tickets. No one said anything. It was supposed to be a 21 and over event as well. Never ID'd, never metal detected, just nothing. No security. It felt like pre 9/11, which was very weird. But also I thought about it a little bit more, and I'm like, yeah, this is Oklahoma. I bet if they metal detected that a significant portion of their clientele would get kicked out for packing. So that's probably why they don't. But it didn't make me feel better. That thought just made me more terrified. What else? What else happened? We went to the aquarium, which was really nice. I think I'm gonna get it. I think I'm gonna get jellyfish for my living room, which sounds absurd, but it turns out they're not that expensive. They're not significantly more expensive than other saltwater tanks. But I was in the aquarium, and I'm like, Man, my favorite part is jellyfish. I wonder how much it is to have a jellyfish tank. And then I would never have to go to an aquarium. I would just be the aquarium. I might do that. But I should probably get actual furniture first before I you know, fill up fill up my house with fish tanks. What else? Oh. We took quite a few lifts because we didn't rent a car and things were fairly close and Tulsa's not that big. It's funny how some of the drivers sort of just put out those little right-wing feelers. One of the drivers, I don't know how we were talking about football because I don't give a fuck about NFL. Sorry, I don't know how we were talking about the NFL because I don't give a fuck about the NFL. And but the driver was talking on and on and on. And if you follow NFL at all, the Washington Commanders, I think it is. They renamed their name to be more culturally appropriate. But the driver insisted on calling them the Redskins or whatever I think it was the Redskins, whatever their previous name was. And we're just like, okay, well, I think I know where this person is getting off here. X-Cypher, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But the one guy one guy was extremely forthcoming with his stance. I forget what we were talking about. I think we were talking about insurance companies or something. And he goes, yeah, well, I was listening to Joe Rogan, and Joe Rogan thinks that, and I'm just like, oh. Oh no. But then I told him about socialized healthcare in France, and I think I changed his mind. So I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that was interesting. The other thing that was really weird about the concert was no one was wearing band t-shirts. And maybe I'm getting old, and maybe this is just a sign of getting old, but no one was wearing band t-shirts, and I felt really weird about it. But anyway, that's most of the summary of the trip. Yeah, good day, hung out. Did you eat any good food? I did. We went to a couple good restaurants. One of them was called The Vault. It was this they basically were a bank, like a drive-through bank before, but they converted it into like a fancy schmancy restaurant. So that was really good. We also went to this breakfast place which had like really fucking good jam and biscuits. It's called like the Neighborhood Jam or something like that. I don't know. It was so good. But yeah, I ate a lot of good food and stuff there. But anyways, let me continue saying hi to everyone who is here. Who I got distracted. Graham's iPad, hello again, and thank you for the resub. Tofu already said hi. Morsha is here. Hello. How is Bebis made? Right? Time to rename the editor, says JD Pratt. Yeah. Unnightly. Hello. Kodako, it's been a while. Good to see you again. Tony Abbott's Balls, welcome back. Hello. No more Mondays on long vacation. Ooh. They didn't have to check your age because you're old now? They didn't check anyone's age. It wasn't just me. I could have walked up to the bar as like a 16-year-old. They would have handed me a drink, been like, here you go. Thanks for being a patron, and gone on with my day. They would not have carded whatsoever. But yeah. They're gonna say something about bumper stickers and honk if you hate minorities or something. Not quite that, but we were about to get into, or I had just called a Lyft, and David knows that I used to work at Lyft and knows that I know a whole bunch of shit about Lyft, and he's like, Do they let Lyft drivers drive if their car is like broken? Like if they, you know, are missing a bumper, or like it's clear they got in an accident, or like, you know, their car's barely working, and I'm like, they're not supposed to. And sure as shit, like 5 minutes later, our driver, you know, arrives, and the back the back left of their car, back right of their car is crushed in. And we're like, well, I hope this gets us to our destination. But yeah. Washington Redskins, Washington football team, Washington Commanders. Yes. Jake says, I grew up an hour outside of DC. People care way too much about the naming. Yeah, well, this guy was very adamant on calling it the Redskins, which was Extra Jake says, oh lord, yeah. If this sentence starts with Joe Rogan, it's time to tune out. Yeah. I like how you skip the fancy and fancy schmancy. Just yeah, schmancy. Yeah, it's true. You're gonna visit Oklahoma in November. Good luck. Gotta go. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna go back, but yeah. Dino says, not sure how the casino in Detroit is located, since almost all casinos in Oklahoma are on Indian reservation land. They probably aren't required to, and thus don't have the same protocols. And you can have this elevate your chat message icon to take it more of the little chat box. Now you only have 75. Yeah, they keep adding more and more fucking icons here. Mine doesn't have the elevate thing. And I don't know why they bother showing you cannot share in your own channel. What does this button do? Oh yeah, we looked at that last stream. Hey, but the little pink dot's gone. So that's an improvement. Blah, 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 blah. You were like, well, I'll sit on the non-crush side. Yeah, basically. Like Jake says, my nonprofit got hooked up with the Century sponsored plan today, and goddamn, that's some value. 5 million airs per month is something we'll never hit. Nice. So I'm glad you got something out of the DEX conference. But that's pretty cool. Yeah. Marsha says, Century's pretty awesome. Love the next thingy. Everyone's so sweet. I've been hanging out in the Discord trying to help and read Century docs in bed. Nice, awesome. We're like Joklahoma? Random Neo, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Med20H, hello. Significant other's parents live there. You got no choice in that matter. Fix Jake says, any inside knowledge on when Python profiling is coming, we would love for one of our slow as fuck Django monstrosities. So I think there's a work in progress PR for it. I think the APIs are already there. But no, these are fucking old. Damn. Maybe it's not opened yet. Maybe they're just working on a branch. Why 7? Why is their branch called 7? Where's the fucking branches thing? Is it because I'm too zoomed in? Yeah. I know they're working on it. Yeah, like this is like some of the profiling stuff. It might already be merged, given this. But I think it's just not advertised yet? I don't know. I know we're trying it out in Century, so it's presumably already there. Yeah, profiler. So, this is a sampling profiler. Yeah, so it might already be there. Might just have to poke around. It's probably not documented, but YouTube super chat linking to, yeah, Twitch just completely ripped off super chats. Also thought, good reminder, I was about to talk about this. I will be at TwitchCon in several days. Yes, so if you're in San Diego and or going to TwitchCon, I don't know, maybe we'll do a meetup or something. There's a channel in the Discord where I'm trying to figure things out. I don't know how many people are gonna be there. I don't know if it's worth doing meetup, but if we get, I don't know, 5 or 10 people that want to meet up and say hi and do IRL things, which I don't know, how many of you nerds want to? Oh, I want to meet my 3rd favorite Twitch programming streamer. But I'll also be bringing stickers. So if you're at TwitchCon, I will have these 3 stickers. These 3 stickers I will have on my person. So if you find me, I will give you stickers. Sponsor plan is $1,200 a month if you paid for it. That's more their entire operating budget. Oh, nice. Significant otter. But yeah, if you're at TwitchCon, I don't know, message me on Discord, or we'll do a meetup. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I will be there. I need to make a shitty YouTube video so that I can announce that too. But no one's gonna click on that video. But that's fine. Meat sauce. Hello, hello. Welcome back. All other branches, descriptive names. That one's 7. I'm pretty sure it was a typo. Someone running like get checkout dash B and just like fucked it up. But yeah. Small little meetup with Anthon indeed. Dota says, Anthony, this is my favorite programming stream. Oh, you guys. You're the only programming streamer I sub to, but I won't be at TwitchCon. Ah, bummer. 3rd favorite? Yeah. Ace, hello. Bribe us. I was gonna bring stickers anyway, so. Yeah. Dino says, literally type twit and Twitch on TV. Either its coach shows up. Nice. Anything? How come you can't spread splat stuff in F-strings? You can't? I thought you could use any expression. Yeah, it works. But I don't know what else. What? Like, what do you mean? Like this? Splat 1, 2, 3? Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. I don't know what that would do. What would that do? What would this render as? I could see it rendering as this, which then you just don't need a star. And you could splat into something. Like it supports any expression, but there's, a splat on itself doesn't do anything. So this is basically just the same error as this. I'm pretty sure you can put any expression in here. Some of them you have to parenthesize, like await expressions in Python 3.6 and walrus expressions in any version. But yeah, I don't think splat really makes sense there. Don't be fooled, my house still doesn't have power or internet. Oh no. Oh. Are you in Florida? Fiona? I thought it was Ian. Hurricane. Wait, Fiona was way further back. Oh, you're in Puerto Rico. Oh. Damn, still? Holy shit. Well, I'm glad you're alright. That's fucking insane. Jirpo, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Mumi says, I don't know about 3rd favorite, but easily top 20. Hey, there we go. Mumi's got the right idea. I'm a top 20 programming streamer. Random says, you're the only one dev streamer I watch. Interesting. What other stuff do you people watch? Do you people? Makes it sound terrible. What other streams do you watch? Because, I don't know. I mostly watch programming streams. Ish. Chess. Okay. Chess makes sense. They have to be inside a function. Yeah, you can't really just splat into nothing. Just rewrite it in Rust. Andre Costa, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. If you hit Maritimes Canada? Oh, so hit it. Wait, what? What? Hurricane Fiona, Canada. What? That's wild. Off. Huh. Wow. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. That's wild. Dennis's hot tip strings. Nice. Undercosta says, I only watch Podgrammers. Nice. Random News says, VTubers. I see. I see. And half of chat splats and nothing every night. Marsha. Trying to get bonked here. The phenomenon of culture. Jamaica, Nova Scotia. That's the one on the right? That's the only one that makes sense, right? Nova Scotia, Canada. Pari, thank you for the resub at 13 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. So damn, the thing went like brop. That's crazy. Do hurricanes, has this happened before? Hurricanes hitting Canada. I know New York had the big one the other time. List of Canada hurricanes. I guess Nova Scotia would get walloped. Wow, a category 3? I had no idea they would maintain that much oomph all the way up there. Huh. Post-tropical cyclone with category 2 force winds. Damn. Wild. I had no idea. I had no idea that hurricanes could affect Canada. I'm not surprised, but I just never thought about it. Damn. One, yeah, power's out for a week. Oh. Oof. GeoGuessr is fun to watch. I do like watching GeoGuessr. I can't watch it for very long though. Ace says I'm not a fan of streaming. That's fair. That's fair. It's not for everyone. Didn't the Bering Strait have record-setting storms too? Probably. And then we had Pari who resubbed. Thank you, thank you. Meansauce says, how do you keep track of what to pick up from in your projects? Personally, I find it very difficult to document what I do and come back to it after a couple weeks. I usually put things in issues if I want to do them. John NV1, thank you for the resub with Prime at 8 months. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Some things I just know that I want to do. Like, there's an annoying debug message in pyupgrade, and I think we're going to fix that today. With the big earthquakes coming to the west coast, did you never eat? Yeah. Well, I don't have to deal with earthquakes or hurricanes anymore. Oh. Then it hits landfall, it's post-tropical because it's Canada. Yeah, it makes sense. Our ice rinks and curling clubs probably say it does. Mancat says mouse. It is the Logitech B100, the cheapest mouse you can buy. Real Abja, hello. LJV Miranda, welcome back. Good to see you again. But you have to deal with Michigan. I like Michigan. Hey. Just get a week of mild rain after a hurricane. Yeah, which is fine. It's fine. We get tornadoes sometimes. I've seen a tomato. I was thinking in my head of a story of my friend who lived across the street from me when I was a kid. And he used to live in New Jersey, and they had a lot of tornadoes there. And his mom would always tell this story about my friend John saying, "The big tomato is coming. The tomato is coming," and they thought it was hilarious. And that was what my brain. That's why tomato tornadoed, but yeah, I think I've seen a tornado once on land. I've seen water spouts 4 or 5 times, which are apparently more common and less dangerous, but I actually saw some water spouts in Italy. Oh, they totally should not have let our boat go out. There was this like massive thunderstorm, and they like delayed. We did like a boat tour around. Was it Amalfi? It was Amalfi. Amalfi. We'll visit the Amalfi. No, maybe it was. Yeah, I think it was. Anyway, we did a boat tour around. I think it was Amalfi. But they delayed it by like an hour, and then they're like, whatever, go for it. And this massive thunderstorm came in, and like there were like 6-foot waves. Our boat was rocking all over the place, and there were tornadoes in the water, which was kind of cool. But yeah. A tomato is like a Sharknado, but with tomatoes? Yes, yes. Did the itsy bitsy spider go up the water spout? No, it did not. There were no itsy spiders out in the middle of the ocean. Okay. So let's do a little open source. Since last time I literally only have one PR, which is somebody wanted sponsors to be added to Flake 8, so a little boring, but I added myself as sponsors to Flake 8. So that was the thing. Another thing that happened over the weekend, which this is gonna be a fun one. Import-lib metadata 5 landed, which removes .get from entry points, which has basically been the thing that's been really fucking annoying for years, and that I was like, why are we making this way harder to use for basically no benefit? But now it has finally been removed, which means I'm going to get a lot of people grumbly about this. But fortunately, Flake 5 doesn't give a shit. But Flake from 3 years ago does. So, yeah, gonna have a fun one there. But I saw this while I was out at breakfast, and I was just like, oh no, I'm gonna hear about this for the next 4 to 5 years. Oh, why doesn't it work? But anyway, such is life. But yeah, that's basically all the updates I have since last time. I didn't really do too much programming off stream. I did sign up for chess.com premium, so now I have unlimited puzzles. So I did a lot of chess puzzles this weekend, but oof. Yeesh. I guess we're done then. Rip short screen? No. Okay, pyupgrade. So the thing that I want to do today, what is this? Alexa Pecan, thank you for the resub with Prime at 19 months. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Welcome back. Wait, how you doing? Shit, what was I doing? Oh. Pi 3 Plus. We are going to release pyupgrade version, is it 3? What version are we on? We're gonna go from 2.38 to 3.0 is the plan for today. Oh, but actually I think I need to do one thing first, because I also want to change things in tokenize RT. Tokenize RT, and I am out of water, so I gotta fill it up too. I started with half a water today, so I goofed. I goofed, chat. What did I want to fix in here? Boofroo. Oh, actually, I think that's what it is. The string prefixes. Yeah. There's basically some special cases that are only for things that don't parse. And these, you know, they don't look like much, but they slow down this tokenization loop by quite a lot. So I think removing these makes pyupgrade way faster, if I remember correctly. Let's actually just try it and see what happens. We activate pip install dash -e tokenize RT. And if we best of pyupgrade py3 plus pyupgrade main. Oh. What do you mean no such file or directory? Long like short. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Get water, damn it. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, fine. Maybe we should make this slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there we go. And if we comment this out. It makes very little difference. I thought this made more difference last time I profiled it. Anyway, that's the code I want to delete, so it's gonna happen. Maybe some of this gets cleaned up too. I don't remember. But anyway, that is what I want to do. Oh, is there something else here too? This was actually a call and not a parenthesized string. Man, I'm fucking hungry too. I should have ate dinner before I streamed. What am I doing? Yes, that is the script. Thank you, thank you. Oh, you found it. You answered your own question. Perfect. How did you find that so quickly? Did you just do best of Ace Dilly? Uh-oh. Why is my other account showing up here? Let me introduce. Made by Ace Dilly Century. The fuck is this? Why does it say the word let me introduce? Damn, I'm already A+. Yo, let's fucking go. What does it do for my normal account? Nothing? Very cool. What is this? JavaScript, JS for short, is a lightweight interpreter. This seems like a spam website. Oh no. It is someone. Victor Edison. Interesting. Interesting. Something went wrong. File an issue. Cannot read properties of undefined reading data. Oof. Very good. 8 out of 8. Working perfectly. Sorry, what was I doing? How did you find it, Morsha? You went to Scratch and clicked Python. You knew where it was. You knew already. Some of your basic. Okay, yes. I drink water. I'll be right back. I see you in a sec. Type bracer data. Wait. Where did you see type bracer data? Oh. Wait, what? Huh. Lambo, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Man, the other thing. Okay, no, we'll talk about this when I get back. We'll talk about this when I get back. But first, Zith3 has resubbed. Thank you for the resub at 19 months. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. And I am going to go fill my water. I will be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Hello. I'm back with water. Clawvergence and Ziat, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ziat, I hope that number isn't for what it can be connoted with. I hope that's your birth year. Otherwise, you should probably change it. But anyway, welcome back. Zithri says, "Is the first thing that came to mind?" I mean, wob. Pretty legit. But yeah. WSL. Oh. Oh, you found right. You were sending me this link. I've been referenced in a paper. Look at this shit. Maybe I have an Erdos number. Heyo. I might have been referenced other places too, but anyway, Marsha found that. Heck yeah, water, indeed. Okay, but what is this type racer data thing? 100% accurate races. My accuracy is pretty shit. To be honest. Yeah, and I don't win very often because Marsha. It's Marsha. Except for that one time. Chat, you remember that one time I beat Marsha in Type Racer? With my... Wait, this isn't even accurate. Because it was like 130 something. Oh, I'm not logged in. I'm not logged in! Bloop. Bloop. Check mark that does nothing. And yeah, 139 is my highest, so this isn't even up to date. Missing my best race ever. Oh, look, it kind of looks like I've slowly improved. Well, not hard to tell. Sheets.google.com is the easiest way to get a sheet, right? Or a graph. Really? Refresh what? Oh! How did... Oh. I see, you can click at a button. Oh. I'm a businessman. I'm doing my business. Sorry, what was I doing? Oh, I was gonna try and paste this chart in there. Like, usually you can copy paste this. Oh, there we go. And then you can do data insert chart. Oh. Looks kind of consistent. Although, we got an upward trend for this part. Yeah, there's a slight... Is there like an R squared button? Customize. Trend line. Show R squared. Slightly positive. Anyway. Cool. That was a nice little distraction. Oh man, they changed. Look at how annoying this is. They changed this one to be pink now too. No, it's fine. I'm not saying you're annoying, Phil. I'm just saying that Twitch ruined my feature. What's the benefit of having a split keyboard? It is in theory for ergonomics. I did a video on it, so you can check out my video here. But yeah. Marsha's keyboard probably broke. He beat me and then deleted the type racer command, so you can never lose again. No, it's definitely still there. I'm not a sore loser. And a trend line. Yeah, we did it. How do you feel about W3 schools here? Well, you know the rules. If there is, you've been around long enough to know the W3 schools rule. where if somebody tricks me into opening W3 schools, I will go acquire a beverage to imbibe. The range is 100 to 125. It looked like you were trending from 100 to 110. It's better than it looked. Yeah. W3 schools rules Anthog, yeah. Oh yeah, no, I know what you're talking about. Oh my god. Can I show your screenshot, Z3S? Oh. Can I show your screenshot? Yes. So this is from Z3S's college course. Oh. Did you ask for a refund of your tuition? If W3 schools is so good, why isn't there a W4 schools? I think you can workshop your joke a little bit better. You could say, if W3 schools is so shit, why isn't there a W4 schools? Where you get an improved W3 schools. Actually, I wonder if there is a W4 schools. W4 schools. Risky Google search. Not that risky. Let's open up a random replit. We're getting... You probably know what W3 school is, but I created my own CSS framework. And W3 schools does not support it yet. I'll just make my own sick site. Okay, that's w4schools.org. Oh no. Oh no, it might actually exist. Yeah, never mind. We're not gonna click on any of these. It seems like a bad idea. But I'm in W1 schools and W2 schools. True. Anything is risky Google search if you think about it. Exactly. What are your thoughts on MDN? MDN's great. MDN is the only resource. I haven't read this story. Tell us why you don't like W3 schools. Because most of the shit is either outdated, wrong, like straight up wrong, or bad advice, or poorly formatted, or it's not a good technical resource. So if you trick me to get there, or if I accidentally click on it, then yeah, I'm gonna go tell my professor what you said about W3 schools. That is probably a good idea. Yeah, I agree. Look at this. Look at my fucking businessman win. Fog. No win, no win, no win. Ooh, we haven't done an instant death in a couple of months. Weird. Oh no, I have prompted that. No, don't do it. But anyway, that's cool. What are you? Oh, auto update day. We'll look at those later. Okay. Anyway, so the first thing that I think I need to do is actually limit tokenized RT to less than 4. That way the features are preserved on old versions. But yeah. Including Python, data science, machine learning, and C. Well, they're trying to get those clicks. Let's see, limit tokenize RT before break. I think it's not actually going to be that much of a breaking version. Like I think pyupgrade will still mostly work, but a few of the features won't. Actually, let's see what happens. PyTest tests. I wonder why this VM doesn't have LL dependencies in it. Bit weird. Bit strange. Don't know how to feel about that. PyTest. Right. Editable tokenize RT. Few tests fail. Let's see. Binary literals test. Oh, right. I wanted to remove the special handling. Nope. Yeah, I could probably just inline you, but it will probably be too long. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Arrow bounce! Thank you for the resub at 11 months. Thank you for lurking. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Arrow bounce is here again, and it's not AOC yet. Couple months, and then it's AOC time already. Oh, where has this year gone? Feels like we were just doing AOC not very long ago. What has happened? What has happened to this year? You ate it. Nom, 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 nom. Test features binary literals tests. It's probably this BR literal, which is fake. Or no, it's this one, which is fake. Yeah. Yeah. And 2 months until the month where I'm actually active in here. Right. UR bar not encode. Yes. Which is nonsense in Python 3. That's why it's not a thing there. Yes, and these tests will be gone. And raw Unicode literals will be able to delete that entire feature. Okay, yes, but this tells me that we don't want to break the tests for the old version, so we are going to make one more version, which is going to do less than 4. Limit tokenize RT to less than 4 before break. Tokenize RT will remove Python 2 compat parsing. Yeah. We'll make that pull request and then merge. CFG, pronounce CFG. CFG. Kvug. Kvug. Are you talking recycling? Talking shit but less intense. Wait, what? Stonker says, were you able to acquire precommand.com? Pre-house sales! Hey, let's go! Yes, I was finally able to acquire precommand.com. It's a little bit more money than I would have wanted to spend on it, but yes, I bought it. So basically what I did is I found who their registrar was. I found who their registrar was. It was GoDaddy. Cringe, but sure. And GoDaddy has a negotiation service. And so I signed up for their negotiation service, which is a $69 fee. And then I put in a bid on the domain I bid 500 on the domain. And the registrar service contacted the dude and told the dude, hey, this domain's probably worth $3,000. So you should bid somewhere between what their bid is and $3,000. There's no fucking way it's worth $3,000. And so the owner replied using Microsoft fucking, what is the email client? I know it's the Microsoft one because it had the blue text, which is just a tell. Anyway, they replied from, what was that damn thing called? Outlook. Thank you, Cetrius. Yeah, they replied from Outlook. And they were like, We'll do 1,000. And so I was like, fine. So I paid $1,000 plus 20% brokerage fee plus $69, and I now own this domain. But yeah, and to be fair, I use the open source funds to pay for it because I can't think of anything else that I'm going to spend that on. So I use my open collective money, which seems fine. Seems fair. Wiped out your profit? I mean, this is for the open source project. This isn't for the CI thing. So yeah, I put in. Oh, where's the expense? It's not listed here. Weird. Didn't get paid out yet, so I don't know quite what's going on there. Oh, maybe it's because I'm not logged in. Probably why. But yeah, so now I own it. Did you make a config v thing for your pre-commit? Yeah, well, config v started. Config v started because I didn't want to use JSON schema anymore in pre-commit. So I wrote my own schema library, and then I split it out to this. And it was like the top library. What year did this get released in? 2018. It was in like it was like the #1 most downloaded new library in 2018. WordPad C, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, I invented this. Should I have invented this? Probably not. But it makes really nice error messages, so that's why I did it. Because who doesn't want to stack trace for their hierarchical errors? But anyway, doot.zinthrius.cloud. That's a cool domain name. Ew. This song's a jam, by the way. Just... I'm glad I muted the tab. That's pretty funny. Jirpa, hello. We may need to run a count on how many times Morsha has said nerd. Well, fortunately, we can do that. Grep. Oh, we're gonna have to use all your names though. Crash dash I. Marsha sucks and Michaela Fox for nerd in. Why is it a bunch of zeros? EI. EIEIO. There we go. Grep dash v colon 0. Xargs replace cut dash d this f2. Cut dash d this f1. Xargs sort rn. Not RN. Sort? The most number of nerd days was August 28th of 2021. Also, today is getting up there. But yeah. Marx's Mouse says, do you use Go at all? I have written a little bit of Go. I don't really like writing Go, but I have indeed used some Go, written some Go. Out of a feature for Twitch TUI, amount of results from fuzzy search. I thought you just WC-L. Why is he abusing Xargs? So if I don't Xargs here, this ends up on 2 lines. This is actually a neat little trick. It's very subtle. So I'm running 2 commands here to reverse the order of the. So this is originally file name colon number. But I want the number at the front so I can sort it. So I xargs replace, which turns the curlies into the full line, and then I use cut to get the 2 components out of it. And then, but if I do that, they'll end up on every other line. So if you wrap them in a subshell, and then you pipe them to xargs, xargs by default is just xargs echo. So it'll take these two lines and flip them into a single line. So that's my stupid xargs trick. But yes, that's why I did xargs in a way. How would you get the sum? I would Google awk sum Linux. And then I would do this. Or I would, instead of count, I would just wc-l. This is probably the easier way to do it. Yeah, just do that. Looks like at least 50 times. Yeah, 160. How many times Marsha has used mop blush? Probably way more than that. 2,000. Just a few. Just a few. What about mop? Oh, actually, we can do a better one. We're gonna EIO this, and then we're gonna grep dash o mop dot space plus, and then sort unique dash c sort dash rn. Fucking kidding me? Oh, I need EO. EO. Mop lol. Oh, we should probably use. Looks like there's other shit in here. Looks like you've said mop tab a few times. This should probably be A to Z 0 to 9 underscore. I don't know if we can have underscores in there. I don't know if we have numbers either. I need lowercase. I was like, what? This is on right. There we go. Mop lol, mop bush, and mop T. Wait, what's mop T? What is mop T? I'm trying to look at your recent ones, but I don't see any mop T's in here. I see mop D. Oh, mop think. Oh. Anyway, there's Morsha's mop usage. RIP mop bongo. Some of these are fake. Mop Santa. Short. Anyway, we're off topic. We are off topic. Have I made the PR yet? No. I clicked this button, but then didn't finish clicking the buttons. Tokenize RT would be Python 2 compat parsing. Bomb. You've been using Naro XD a lot more over mop lol since I got a Naro sub. I see. Can we get the number of occurrences? Yeah, we did that. Right? I closed the tab. Gone now. Mop D, the mop service statement? Right? Oh. This is Mop Santa. How did you get the link? That's fucking creepy. How I feel about that. Google? Oh. Yeah, that was a weird one. Why are you taking so long? What are we doing? Google cringe DuckDuckGo based? There's certainly search engines. Is this changed to be NuGet yet? I don't think that's where it comes from. It comes from here. Oh, this is not Windows. Not Windows. One day, I will have not this cursed version of Git, and then pre-commits runs will be green again. Mr. Plommel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Imagine using a search engine in 2022. Just use a book losers. Yeah. Yeah. Like a Coca-Cola Santa picture? I wouldn't know. Come on. Stupid thing. Why are you not green? Why do I feel like the internet's been slower last couple days? Am I just tripping? Pigment's been failing 27 minutes in talks for now. Yeah, the funny thing about that, I love this message that, where is it? There's like some snarky message in here. It's like, just like the last N runs. Or maybe that was Travis CI. Analytics? 0%. Yeah. Backslash, that's fucking cursed. Okay, anyway. Patch. What do? Hello? Progress bar. So I also need to check other things if they care about this as well. Which is really just, well, all repos grep tokenize rt star.py setup.cfg. Oh, you know what? This is gonna break. No, it won't break that. I was thinking it was gonna break future f strings, but green empty. But that only that doesn't care about it because tokenized RT only supports Python 3.7 and above, where f strings are native. Okay, we need to check add trailing comma and the yes QA. Yes. And trailing comma, which I don't think will break, but we will check it anyway. Oh shit, I did minus less than 4. I meant to do minus less than 5. God damn it. Shit. Of course the test passed, because it also works for that. Oops, I meant less than 5. Oh, god damn it. Oops. Oops. That's funny. Okay, but Atron comment doesn't care. And then yes, QA is the only other one I care about. No way that one fails. Fine, we'll merge you. Oh, what are you? I don't know. I don't know what you are. My pie updates, but they didn't fix. Oh, maybe we'll do the Babby thing once that gets merged later today. which is circular types are now a thing, which is awesome. Yeah, I know that one wasn't done running CI, but I also don't care. Merge subtags. There is not. There is not. This is not what it was. What do I search for here? Like tar gz. There is a duplicate somewhere. What do I even search for? I guess I can just read every fucking issue since there's not that many. Yeti Eater, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Tarjeezy is my favorite rapper. Oh no. This one, I think. No? Oh, damn it. Check this. My mom. Oh. Some nice gardening. That's cool. Was it this one? I don't think it was this one. Sounds like it though. Here it is. Yeah. I think there was another one. This one. Yeah. This one. Those are two duplicates. I don't think that there's any others. Yeah. 125 and 119. There isn't more information. On 17, no. 125, 119. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Oops, I wanted this one, and I want to merge this one. And I want to not that one. Hopefully nobody picked up 2.38.3. We're immediately overriding it. I'm gonna get mom to landscape my stuff. Okay. Now that we have fixed this, now we can do the actual change. Remove pi2 parsing. String prefix normalization. Yes, this is all gone now. Octalittle normalization, also gone. Longliteral normalization, also gone. Yay. Hey, what's up, Charmate? Hello. Charmate. Hello. Welcome. And advice on how I learned Python and R. My usual advice is find some project that you want to build and do it. And don't wait, just do it. What? Why is it mad there? I'm just gonna ignore that. Ezekiel, hello, welcome back. Same advice given to Dark Souls players? Yeah. Anthony sponsored by Nike, right? That's right next to Al. My bed is like, oh, you slept in bed for 11,000 times. Guess what? You did it wrong. Yeah, same. Well, I also went to a concert. That's why my neck is crumbly. Also my ear. Well, I think that's from the airplane. Oh. It's like the worst where it feels like there's water in your ear, but there's not. It's just like got me nuts. Can hear less on the right side. I hate it. I hate it so much. Where did you learn? On a calculator. Do we need a posture redeem check? My posture's great. Look at this. Look at this. I'm sitting up straight. I need a posture redeem. I can sit up straighter, but it doesn't improve it. I have fairly good posture in this chair. It's kind of slouching in this chair is uncomfortable, so I have to sit nice. But yeah, just take off your ear. Yeah, right. Headed to Brock's farmer. Yeah. Didn't do the normal thing where it's poppy and stuff. Oh. Doing the real posture check. Oh shit, is this gonna work? There's no fuck up. It may have fuck up. Creamers V, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. You don't back shrimp while the real programmers do? I do. I used to. I definitely do in my other chairs that I've had before, but not in this chair, which is another reason that I like this chair, because I don't back shrimp. I'm not a shrimp programmer. I decided to use some of my 380,000 points. God damn. Holy shit. Apparently my mom had 18-inch deep roots and is instead of shoveling them out, she's using a drill, which is kind of badass. I'll join you in standing anthong, or well, I'm gonna pull my exercisey bike. Oh, nice. That's a good call. I have not been using my exercise bike as much as I would like to. I've also been busy with house stuff, so I feel like yeah. I feel like that's kind of fair. Dinos is gonna head out to get some food. Culver's has Andy mint chip custard on special. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, I don't know that there's anything else to actually improve here. I don't think this has anything else to go zoomier. Which is fine. Unless we dead. I don't think Dead's gonna find anything. I'm wrong. Offset is only defined in tests. I mean, yeah, this is a library. Oh, string prefixes. Haha. Aha. Literally, yeah. Yeah, and those are library functions. We did find one thing. Dead was helpful. We're gonna do a big bump dash dash major. We're gonna ignore my pi. It's because I'm running Python 3.8 and Pregame CI runs Python 3.10. I should, in theory, configure the MyPy version, but I also don't care. We'll just do a little cheeky little skipperoo. Oh, right, the story I was gonna tell. So I have a really unfortunate problem, which is if I was in Tulsa, Oklahoma, this weekend. I have this unfortunate problem where if I talk with people that have an accent, I will slowly pick it up over time. So I had to try really hard to not end up with a Tulsa accent. And I definitely caught myself drawing it up. But I think I've fixed myself. But and the worst is when it's like a racially stereotypical accent, and it's subconscious. It's like that's the worst. Okay, create the pull request. I just take a dance break. Nice. I do too. Even when watching movies or TV shows, I pick on the characters' accents. Southern Boy Anthon get worse. The worst timeline. Maybe a similar thing, but with the speech patterns. Yeah, I definitely do that too. I imagine that humans are just brain coded to do that. That's just a natural behavior that we're programmed to do. Metal Storm, hello, how you doing? Yeah, Anthony, what? Is that like y'all, but different? Brain code pog? Yeah, I wish I could change my brain code. God, I'd like to file a bug report. This behavior is clearly broken. Can we fix this? This is different. Not my best joke, but you got it. A. I thought Marsha would have a Kakashi emote. No, what's Kakashi? Is that Naruto? Naruto? Yeah, I don't even know how to pronounce it either. God, I'm so cringe. It would be howdy. Kakashi. Ah, yeah. Oh no, it's Etho. It's Etho. God, that's a really telling on myself there. Etho is a Minecraft YouTuber who uses that as a skin. Anyway. In the way. Nerd shit. Real nerd shit. Alright. Bump dash dash major. Don't get to use that flag very often. Get to. That's what we're telling ourselves. Get to use that flag. Excuse me, sir. Does this package follow Simber? Did you see Dream's face reveal? I did. He just looks like a normal white dude. Yeah. There were a lot of really shitty people talking about Dream's face reveal. I don't understand why you would be so rude to just random person on the internet, but well, I do know why, because people are assholes. But yeah. Okay, so now if we do greater than or equal to 5. I mean, technically, it could work with it. What was the old one? Get log dash capital G tokenize RT. This dash P 320. Okay. Let's start by seeing what's broken. I rearranged my room. I was in the middle of organizing shit a couple weeks ago and stopped the middle, and now it's like worse. Yeah, I have too many unfinished projects that are in the same realm. Beansauce says, what happened to the Babby theme you were recently rocking? So I usually try and turn off themes at the end of stream. But they are submitted by Twitch chat with channel points, and I think the last one was by I Satisfied. Babby themes, grab I Satisfied. JQ xargs JQ.name and one. I think it was this one. Cyberat, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That might have been this one. One of these two. But yeah, I usually turn them off after stream. But I forgot, and so I snuck into a YouTube video. I want to get more storage box and just shove everything in them. Yeah. Yeah. Containerization, bitch. This one. Okay, so this has to go bye-bye. Plugins, binary. There might be code for this as well. Shit, what is this? Stir encode string something? Supposed to have the same name. Default encoding. What was this? Binary literals test? Very different name. Very different name. Countergeist. Thank you for the resub at 16 months. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Appreciate your continued support. Fix default encoding. So it's not this one. What the fuck is it then? Oh, is it in here? Is byte string. Fix escapes? No. What did I just change? Binary literals. It is searching for encode. Fix encode to binary. Here it is. Okay, refined dot encode and or dot code encoding, and it's either ASCII or UTF-8. Then Latin 1 is not okay. Prefix that replace you or you with empty string. Yeah, I think that's still right. I don't think any logic changes there. Cool. More tests. Remake that. Morsha says that set difficult quarks does set everything in pipe. And oh, I think you'll actually factor out that function. Sorry, Marsh and I were talking about a certain bit of code in pyupgrade. Oh no. Oh no, the accent. No. This code here. I think you'll delete this function. Yeah, I think you'll delete this function. Yes. I think that's what'll happen. I'm not 100% certain, but I'm pretty sure that's right. Test. Raw Unicode literals. I think this one just goes away entirely. Yeah, because UR is not a thing anymore. So we can get RMU, pyupgrade, plugins. Ooh, here we go. Fix UR literals. Yeah, this is just gone. As is fix long and fix octal. We're gonna leave that for now. Yeah, so I can just do this. Right. Let's try test again. Boop, boop. Oh, I got a lot of read. With their garden. Guess what I did with whether I've done any gardening yet. I haven't done anything but weeding yet. Been too busy. We flew in. Was a little scary. There's no security at the con. Not even ID. Yeah. Anthong slagging off. No, I just have too much stuff to do. Too many things to do. Hey, Pause, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Maniac from Alabama, welcome back. Good to see you again. Anthony only doing the weed. Yeah, that's precisely what it was. Hit RM test features, long literals, test features, octoliterals. Long, fix long, fix octal, long. Jeez, we can get rid of that whole branch entirely. Look at that. Look at that. You always do this to you? Yeah, I regret the name. Well, if you come more often, I will probably remember that you regret the name more than I remember your old name. But welcome back. It's good to see you again. Chansda says, "How do you think I can be a software engineer with a business information systems degree?" You could be a software engineer with a music degree. Not rapping on music degrees, but my brother got a music degree and is now a software engineer. So anyone can be anything. You could even get it with no degree. And then always be like, wild token, keep token. Oof. The time doesn't suit me? Yeah, that's fair, that's fair. Yeah, I feel you. But that's why I do EU-friendly streams on Saturday. And hopefully I'll get back in the rhythm of doing them during the week too. 5 a.m. Yeah, I feel ya. I feel you. I understand. Mm. Mm. Really? What? Why is this dead? uh... uh... Oh, because they got moved to here and I just forgot to clean up the code. Fun? Very cool. Wild. Must be setting up. I'll call Sentry right now and tell him to give you the biggest project to work on. I mean, I mostly decide my projects, so yeah. That's kind of how it goes. Polymathic Man, hello, hello, welcome back. And then what was that hook you were talking about making, but you made it before? That's Sentry. Oh no, it's Stripe. It's Stripe. I made a tool to, given a code repository and given a requirements.txt or requirements.in, it told you what dependencies were not needed. Mr. Singh, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. You know, honestly, I don't like this feature of dead, so I might just remove it because I find that it's less useful with it enabled, which is the argument parsing, or the function arguments thing. Where is that even? Visit function def, yeah. I find it to be much more useful without that. Yeah, so now it's dead is just gonna show the visit functions. Should we just get this? Yeah. Big chunk of dead code. Nice, cool. All right, so the other thing that we're getting rid of is Pi3 plus is now the default. How do I do this? So I think I want to do this. And if I see 3-0, then or I'll just get rid of it. Gives a fuck. Pi3 plus will just do nothing. This looks dumb, but I think it's right. This should break a whole bunch of other tests. Yeah. Actually, not that many tests. Will default. Oh. What? This main Pi27 syntax error. What even? Why? Why didn't it rewrite it further? Oh, because it removes this entirely. I don't even remember what it was testing. Fox the Ghost, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see. Get log dash capital G. We can find out why this test was added. And hopefully answer the question. Kanko Muscle. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Add a failing test for Pi27 AST.parse Unicode. Oh. We don't need you at all then. Goodbye. Pi3 plus Unicode literals. This is now the default behavior. Yes, so we can do this. Pi3 plus super. Do just a few small integration tests to make sure that this works. We can actually just get rid of Pi3 plus everywhere. Yes. A Pi3 plus. Oh, that is not how that works. Oh, we got a bunch of reamd to clean up as well. What is the subject of this project? If you do bang today, you can find the answer. Fox the Ghost also welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Are you backend developer? Sure. I would say I'm more of an infrastructure and tooling developer. Availability. This will always happen now. We can get rid of the long literals. Octal. Long literals. Octal literals. UR literals. What the fuck? Why does it even talk about this? Also, it doesn't do this. Actually, what does it do? What does it do for this? Yeah, that's what I thought. Does the good thing. Does the good shit. Upgrade is timid in one case, that's usually a mistake. I don't know if we're gonna change that or not. We'll find out soon enough. Oh, I was gonna get rid of all the Pi3 pluses. absolute import division print function Unicode literals. Import replacements. Okay. Oh. Okay, cool. I thought it was unlocking for like forever, but it's 24 hours? What does that mean? Sherpa? Oh, a temporary emote. Oh, yeah. There's also the follow emotes. Wolf says, I was wondering if you're ever going to make a video on the del method. I might have talked about it once. You should almost never use it. The best way to figure out whether I've made a video about it is clone this repo and grep for it. Looks like I have referenced it in 343, 366, and 382. I believe one of those I talk about garbage collection. I can't search for the number because it's in the list. 343 is... this one is talking about a quirk of ID. 366. Wheatcrafts, yeah, that makes sense. And 382. 82 is LRU cache, yeah. So I kind of talk about it in those three methods, so I would check out those. That's not good. Oh, fucking kill me. Key error. Oh man. Why does everything have to break? Ah. I bet YouTube broke their API. Okay, we're gonna look at that in a second. Don't let me forget that, chat. We're gonna fix the YouTube API. Well, we can't fix their API, but we're gonna fix our usage of it. Oh, that's so frustrating. Ah, I fucking hate YouTube. Yeah, you gotta remind me after, though. You can't just do it right now. Doesn't help me. Okay, so the other thing we need to do is get grep for 27, or actually 3 comma, first off. It's gonna be in a lot of places. Why is it in here? Let's see. Review. Min version is greater than or equal to 3 or imports future. That means this is true. Always true. Means we can now you fit. Oh, you do. Oh, look at that. Inversion is greater than or equal to 3, so this is true. Cool. Okay, yeah, that seems fine. This is now true. This is now true. We even use 2.7 up here? Oh, we do. Should fix that also. I only put my other to-do in there. Thanks, YouTube API. Wolf says good night. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Delete the code until it stops breaking. Yeah. Get ready for the gym. Sounds good. The Joe Mega. Hello. From another country. Yo. Which country are you in now, dare I ask? But that's cool. Good to hear. Well, good or bad. I think it means because you because you got a job. Version is greater than or equal to 3. This is always true. Mods equals mods.update replace mods. I think we can do this. Splat. Always true. If less than 3, return. Always true. Always true. Ooh. Always true. Always true. Names move is always true. Surely this fits on one line, right? Yep. It does. Look at that. My home country at the moment. Moving to the UK in about a month. Ooh, cool. It's not fit on one line? Looks like it should. It does. Very cool. Means this one does too. That seems fine. State.settings.min version is greater than or equal to 5. So it is always method mapping pi2 for pi35 plus. I can just do this. Working remotely in my current job until the end of the month. Quite excited for my new job. Nice. That's good to hear. Oh man, I don't know if the tests are going to pass after this. That is 0 compatible with 3.0 used as a spec. Yes. Okay, makes sense. Yeah. If true, which means I can get rid of one parenthesis and then dedent this whole big ass block. That one. We can do the same here. Big ass block. GS skills, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Eve J says, why are you using arrows in Vim? Oh, it's Nano. Nope, you're wrong twice now. Try one more time. You're very close. You're very, very close. Removals. Okay, less than... Oh, this is the generator. This is the thing that I want to do. I think we just do this. It says it right there. I'm done. Where does it say nano? Is it nano? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, fuck. We gotta do all the tests. Skip the tests for now. Alright. Should we do a bet? It says Babby. Hey, there you go. Oh no. Oh, right. Gotta change all these in the test because now this is an impossible value. Roberto, hello, hello. Ah, because this is now 3. Version is a variable tuple. Yep. Oh, let's regenerate this. Generate imports. Do you look right? Yeah, it does. It does, in fact, look correct. Wow. 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 Yes, I can link you to a video where I go over the basics of how I started writing a terminal editor. EFG. But my bot is broken at the moment. Yeah, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way. But check out this video. It kind of goes over the very basics of using curses and do some other stuff. Also looking at what it would cost me to get furniture, and damn, that's expensive. Yeah. Lamerta says, can you recommend me a ThinkPad used for web programming? You can literally use any program, or any program. You can literally use any laptop to do development. Test binary literals noop. So this is actually going to be 3. Can it remove in Python 2? Only on the first 2 lines. So this is just gone now. We also don't need min version anymore here. Which I believe means we don't need you either. Three. Get rid of all those. Let me change all these to 3. Too old min version. Is this gonna be 3 the whole time? Oh, no, that one is 3.9. Skip rewriting of Colbin 3.9 since it's broken. Love that for me. Lester Lambda, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, CodeBot sad right now. I have to get an API key from YouTube. Oh man, I hope I don't have to get an API key from YouTube. That would suck. Missing future import. NRO, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. This should be 3. Which means that they're all 3 now. I'm changing too much at once. There's no way this is gonna work. Yeah, this goes away now. This goes away now. This goes away now. Ooh. It's like click create API and credentials, and I'm like, there's no create button, just an empty list. Oh no. Oh no, did they change? They change how it works? String containing new line. Fix Unicode literals noop. Weird. But get rid of this and we get rid of the version. Oh, this one already had the ID. Look at that. Oh, I wonder if fixed tokens cares about min version anymore. It might not. Only change one thing at once. Don't change 2 things at once. Fixed tokens. Does it need min version? Question mark. Test Unicode literals. Yeah, this is also no longer true. So we can also get rid of min version here. And here. Hey, what's up, 85 Filter? How you doing? You found it? I don't know, I haven't done it before. It doesn't break for me. Look. I wonder if my API token got banned. Oh, could also be... I disabled IPv6 earlier today. I wonder if that's why it's broken. You show your error again? Yeah, it cures on here. Which probably means that this response is non-200, or it's probably 200 with an error in the body because Google fucking sucks at errors or whatever. It's probably my fault. We'll debug it a little bit in a bit. It's the stupid IPv6 thing. I'm gonna be real sad. 6 units at alias. Alias is no up. So we will just remove you and you. And you. Oh, and I can find all the cases that I do this. I do that as well. Settings min version equals 3. Might as well fix this one while we're here. Get rid of this. This. We might not get the several things that I wanted to get done today, but I think we'll get through this one. It's a big refactor. Ooh. Okay, tests should be passing now. And of course they do. Feel smart, I just threw in a brick a point. Then is that easy? No. Is it on YouTube or the bot? I don't know. I think it's probably either my DNS or something else. Test features type of primitive. I wonder if it doesn't let me do parameterize pytest.param like this. It's gonna be my guess. It says these need to be in a thing. That's annoying. Kind of makes sense. Kind of makes sense, but a little annoying. Oh, it's gonna make this line too long. Oh, nope, just the right length. Oh, I realized that a lot of this code has been off screen. Let's switch this up. Sorry. Yeah, it's 100% gonna be DNS. Do we can even do a prediction? No, I don't know if I'm gonna actually be able to find the problem. So we won't do a prediction. There's a chance that we just won't be able to fix it. Because I don't know, you think switching on and off IPv6 in the middle of the stream is gonna break things? Still test failures. What? Wait, why didn't this one error? What? These must all be the same mistake. These ones must be the same mistake. Yep. Okay. Cool. Noop in Python 2. Goodbye. Ah, yes, this is the other one. This gets unused and rod all at once. Raw rostering. Nice. Okay, cool. What else do we have to do? Removals, we did that. Fix tokens. Do you need min version? Aha! You don't. Dope. Now I gotta find all the places that it's used. Oh, I'm doing the thing again. Why am I on this screen? Bloop, 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 bloop. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bloop. Bloop. And the noodle? The noodle? Unused? Yeah, that's gonna be one of those comments where I read it later and I'm like, the fuck did I mean there? What the fuck is unused? No, I'll remember. I'll remember this moment, chat, that we shared together. Okay, run the test again. Cool. I've noticed we're deleting some of the tests. What? Oh. I was gonna say. I'll just grab for this. Ooh, that one we can't do. Ah, pressing the wrong button. Filthy Casual, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Who even wrote these terrible comments? Smacking my bongo? Yeah, that's true. W. Claytro says, what are you working on? Why doesn't this one trigger the bot? Yeah, the bot's all sorts of dumb today. Oh, we have what are you doing, but not what are you working on? How about you ask what are you doing? That'll give you the answer. Or you can do bang today. Yes, yes, quite. Indeed. Golardu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What are you doing? Right? Cealipifer. Cealipifer. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, that one we cannot do. Surely we can inline you and you will fit on one line. Oh shit, can't do that one. Oh. And still passing. Citrus is here. How you doing, Citrus? Hello, hello. How's your day's today? Monday. How's your Monday going? Good to see you as always. And looking forward to seeing you at TwitchCon. Alright, what's left in our to do? Oh, is that it? Is that it? The scam messages are so new and they don't even show up anywhere. Thank you for the elevated, thank you for the YouTube super chat, Citrusine. But like Streamlabs doesn't know about them. Oh, I wonder if they show up in my chat bot. Oh, they do. I don't want to bait chat into using super chats, but I kind of want to see what they show up for in the IRC land. I myth you and all the rest of y'all. I'll myth you too, Citrusine. We're gonna add that to our to do. Although I don't want to scam people. Figure out what elevated chats do in Twitch IRC. Maybe I'll just elevate someone else's chat and make my bot watch it and do it that way. It'll be easier. Is elevated just another way for Twitch to siphon money from users that should go to the streamer? Yes, it is. It is bar for bar YouTube's super chats, but I think it's a 70-30 split, which is also, this is funny. It charges you $100 for just 2.5 minutes. But if you do the $5 one, it's 30 seconds. So you could just do the $5 one 5 times for the same amount. Which elevated chats, streamer cut. 70-30. Yeah. YouTube super chat cut. Percentage. Oh, okay. So they literally just ripped it off. Oh, that's kind of wild. But yeah, it is another way for Twitch to yoink some money. Upgrade / main line 89. Oh, this function is just unused, right? Look at that! Oh, we should have run dead. Goodbye. We can just delete you entirely, right? Yeah. And we'll try it again. Can't even find chat in the network tab. I just see tons of video stuff. Oh, does it do the same RC protocol but with WebSockets there? Ah, yeah, it does. Interesting. Cool. 50-50 shares kind of BS, to be honest. Is Twitch really gonna fail if they don't take that much? Twitch just loses money already, so it's really different. 110 to exit. Oh. Node.exception is not none. Ah, so we don't have any plain raises. Which is surprising. Test features. Where's our no-ops? Test fix OSR alias is no-op. Use OSR alias. I think I can just do this. Empty raise. Hit to reload. What is a private message? Oh yeah, that's just how IRC works. Yeah. They're also running an experiment called Cheer Coins, which is it might be a replacement for bits. Works out as less money for the streamer. Oh my god, the fucking grift. On the other hand, they're not testing out 10 ads after each other like YouTube is doing. Twitch has been doing that for a while. I feel like that's the status quo on Twitch. Is 10 ads. 10 ads for everyone. Greppo. Yes. Okay. Get diff. What's our damage? Minus 500. I would clean up more than that, but I'll take it. Somebody elevate a message so I can copy paste the info. I'll just do it later. You don't have to do it right now. There's something else I need to test, right? You wanted to learn? I guess that's fair. If you want to scam the other viewers out of money. Oh, there's only one in here. I feel like there's still references to 2.7 though. The year that I created this. Don't touch Py7 format strings. Format literals test. Oh, those are ones that are already done. Oh, already upgraded. Ew. You can just combine these two? Yeah. Guys, here are the numbers 0 to 7. Let's do this now. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. In theory, I could do these now. But should I? It's not like you get a cut. It's true. It's true. Remove rewriting of Python 2 code. That's not the right way to word this. Make i3 plus the default. New Python 2 compatible rewriting mode. That seems more right. Version imported but unused. What are you, version? You know what? Instead of being 3 comma, I could make it 3 comma 0, and then we could remove that one edge case. Right? We can do this. But then we gotta change all those to 3 comma 0. Never mind. We leave one gross thing to not have to do lots of other gross things. Something wrong with that double thing? It was just like kind of weird. I find the weird bit. Where was it? It was in plugins, version branches, I think. Yeah, this thing. Just a little bit strange. A tad bit strange. Do I need this type alias? Alright. Push that bad boy up. Oh. And giant fucking PR. Oh, this is shitty because it's diffs. Which makes it harder to read. Nice deletion. I am happy with that. I should really switch these to be plugin based tests, because that would make this, well, I would need to be able to, I would need to switch all of them. I think I can switch all of them because we have comment stuff too. Huge fine. Looks weird the way you add tuples together, but it's the only way. Yeah, because tuples are immutable. They cannot be changed. Oh, it sorted these. Interesting. Cool. I feel like these are new songs in the playlist because I haven't heard them before. Bumbly Anthonk? Yeah. Yeah, it me. You found me. I should really question mark W equals 1. It'd be a little bit easier to read some of these, but that's fine. You drunk? Why did it think that happened? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that's why I should question mark W equals 1. K is less than or equal to 3/6. Oh yeah, this is the generator. Yeah. Shouldn't this be less than or equal to 3/5? Doesn't matter. I think it still works out the same. Okay, and then just test fixes. Something says, re-implementing some part of the Rust standard library to work with my stuff made me realize the docs have quite some weird things, mixing American and British spellings and weird sentence structures. Yeah, when you get enough people working on the same project, that'll happen. No. Literally no. Literally someone else asked for this today. I wonder if this dude is a coworker of this other dude. Code Cobblers Inc. I think they're the same person. Show me your profile. No, I don't think they're the same person. It's just weirdly coincidental. Other one. Keep not naming ABI3 wells correctly. Oh boy. How did I get into this? What? apparently. Cool. We're going down in an early round. Pokemon fan. Welcome back. Hello, hello. Curious, how often do you deal with locks and threads in programming? I think I have only written code that cared much about locks and threads a handful of times, 3 or 4 times. Used for the set.union, but tuples don't seem to really have any methods. Yeah, they have tuples. They have methods. Union creates a new object. Someone said earlier, didn't toggle standing as. I didn't feel like standing anymore. So sue me. But actually don't. I don't really want to deal with litigation. But unfortunately, that's probably a story for another day. Probably a story for another day. Cool. Pass the test. I'm sure someone will be grumbly about it. But bop. API token. Yes. Play what? I don't really remember what state that puts the repo into, so we're just gonna reclone it. I don't really care to figure it out. That was weird. Did I get the wrong password? Didn't do work that time. Weird. Neil says, got my Andy's Avalanche custard. Nice, nice. How many colleagues do you work with normally? I have a couple people on my team. But about 100 engineers at Sentry. Do you think most of the stuff you do in university is not what you do at company? Yeah, 100%. 100%. C9BD says, what's bump dash major from? A script I wrote called Bump that I intentionally don't distribute because I don't care about anyone else's features. If you want to find it, it's in my repos. Good luck. Yeah. I've learned that when I build somewhat nice things, people use them and then demand me to implement features for them, and I don't give a fuck. Zovek, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And the script really only works if you use my very specific setup, so that is also why I'm not going to release and support it. But yeah. How dare you not make people features for free? Yeah, exactly. Exactly, brother Uthman. Why not build it in Rust? I think we all know the answer to that one. Okay. So that's one of the things that we want to solve. Now we gotta figure out why YouTube is fucked. Oh no, there were 2 to-dos. What were the 2 to-dos? We deleted the file. One of them was YouTube API. Oh, and the other one was super chats, or whatever the fuck they're called in Twitch land. Yeah. All right. Not plugins, YouTube. We will break a point here. Explains 1. I gotta be careful here. Because I think this shows my token. Hang on. William TS, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Actually, you know what? We'll live dangerously. We will live dangerously. Oops. Je sens réponse. Oh, look at that. Okay, that seems fine. No. What? Wait. Oh. Why did it work when I debugged it, but not when I didn't debug it? Maybe it only breaks when it goes slowly. Or maybe it only works when it goes slowly. What the fuck? Why? It was definitely breaking when I ran it this way earlier, right? Dude, computers are haunted. Hey, what's up, Shy Shy Teddy? I bet if we restart the bot, it'll just magically work, right? Right? Surely? Right? Oh my god. Why? Why the fuck? Oh. YouTube has a 0.01% promo rate. That makes me kind of concerned. Like, what weird memory state was this holding? That's not the right tab. What were we using? AIO-HTTP? Does AIO-HTTP have like a global DNS cache? Prime Arbitrator, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. There was a solar flare. No, it was reproducibly broken. I think it's AIO-libs. Now I'm curious. I think there's random C code in here though. I feel like we were not going to end up in a good state. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of Scython shit. Use DNS cache. Why do people build this shit? That's the whole fucking reason there's an operating system. And that's why DNS records have TTLs on them. Why have they built all this garbage? It's not how this shit works. What is the default TTL? Probably forever. Probably forever. None forever. Max seconds? This is 10 seconds. No, okay, so it's probably not this. Although, what version of AOHP do we have? 381. So let's see what 381 was. N. Do you think this is just broken? This version? DNS cache table. Timestamps plus TTL is less than monotonic. That would mean time has gone past timestamp plus TTL. Sounds right, assuming they're importing monotonic from the right place. Assuming monotonic isn't fucked. Wait. Yeah, no, that's right. Async IO monotonic. Yeah, it looks like. Why would they do this? I wish I could have seen the response there. I don't know how I would have found it though. I don't. I kind of care, but I also kind of don't. I would love to know why it fucked up. There's some cache somewhere. To wait for it to break again. Yeah. How can we? How can we make it so that we can debug it when it breaks again? Oh, I guess if we get it to break in the command line again. Yeah, we'll try that. Logs anything? No, they just have the key error. No, and nothing else. It's this big long ass key error. Why is this traceback so weird? Oh, there's two tracebacks here. It's like, what is going on here? There's two people ran at the same time. Yeah, this makes more sense. Very weird. Videos are haunted. Octavius, hello. Exception thing you had seemed nice. The exception PDB stuff. Yeah, I could do that, but that stops the whole block. The whole Oh, these tracebacks make no sense because I edited the code. Here's the one that makes sense. Yeah, I will send you a traceback. Luffy.cc. Your recent uploads. Wonder what was this? 27 lines of YAML. Oh, this is my speed ups go zoom zoom. This is my 3.11 new things. And this is a diff. Cool. It's pronounced YAML. Right. But don't you want to solve it? I do, but I also have shit to do. Well, I don't have shit to do. I have maybe things to do. I have emails to delete, that's for certain. Bye. Okay, the other thing I want to fix was talks. Green check mark. Okay, the other thing I want to fix was talks. This is actually for work stuff, kind of. Or I found it at work. Yeah, so if you have a talks.ini that has skip install, and you do talks devenv venv, it makes the virtualenv but produces an error, and it should not try and run this. I gotta fix that. We know your YouTube API key is config.youtube API key. I got a little nervous there. Still in 3.8.10 and Ubuntu. Yeah. It's also same. Because I haven't finished migrating over. Okay. But yes, how do you fix this? That was the weirdest way for me to write that command. If options.devenv, to load defaults, we parse an empty string. Oh, this is if the file doesn't exist. Wait, talks.devenv works if if there's nothing there? Oh, it found that talks.ini file. That's not what I want. Wow. Didn't know that. Cool. Interesting. Set envdir from devenv. Yes, okay. Develop. Yeah, so we gotta figure this out. This is the problem. Going to the gym? Well, thank you for stopping by, Tofu. Always good to see you. The irony of using talks devenv vf to develop talks while fixing devenv. Hopefully not lost. Suppose you could check if items in JSON response, otherwise log the raw response. Yeah, that's an idea. And just not commit it. But I have a very sneaking suspicion that we will never see this again. This is very much a once in a lifetime bug. That was the one that seemed to break it. I think that was just the first one that got tried. Because it caches that response, so it basically has to happen the first time of the stream. Like this block of code will not run now that it's run once. So I would literally have to do this. And just like do this over and over. But I'm pretty sure that's gonna exhaust my YouTube API key, so probably not a good idea to run this in a loop until it breaks. But anyway, the code will be there. I don't think we'll ever hit it, but okay. Test env config. Where the fuck does skip install end up in there? That env config. I gotta find an env config somewhere in here. Env configs. Empty ordered dict. How does this work? Applo Eco, how you doing? Good to see you again. Skip install overrides use develop. I think I'm gonna press X to doubt because that's exactly the opposite of what I'm seeing here. Unless it regressed. Option.skip package install. Skip install is false? What? I hate that this is called testemconfig and doesn't have the same options here. Wait, why? How is that false? How is that false? Does it store response in the Google Cloud Console? Probably not. You've got a picture for me. And it is in portrait orientation, apparently. Well, that seems like a lie. It's pseudo. It's a pupperoo. A cute pupperoo. How is this false? What the fuck? Add test-env attribute. Post process equals skip install default. Oh. Is it because it runs out of order? But it's because it runs out of order. Ugh, this system is such a fucking wild ass hack. Yep. No? The right order. Oh, blur, 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 blur. Ooh, that was weird. That was real weird. Now my terminal's fucked. Which language is this? It's in the title. It's in the title of the video. Portrait mode, not portrait orientation. Oh. Oh. Welcome to the stream, hummies. It's the language programming. Yep. That is the programming language. It's programming. Hummies and Bonfire, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Blurp, 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 blurp. So this must be somewhere else. Kind of hate working on this project. Like it's so hard to find what I'm actually looking for. I am hungry. It is too late for me to eat food, but I am hungry. I should eat food. Suffering game development. Game is this video? Yeah. Alright. Parse INI. To load defaults, we parse an empty config. Yeah. That envder from devenv. Yeah. Sounds right. Value or option develop or option.devenv is not none. Not option.install package. I think that option.devenv is not none. Hi. I think it's in that file. Yeah. I think it's somehow in this use develop thing. I think it's somehow here. I think we're in the right spot. I think I just gotta vars all the things here. Made me nervous. Missing subs. It's very late. Why haven't you eaten? Because I forgot to eat before stream. Good. Thank you for the follow. Or is it good? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. My company, mostly QA, doesn't understand the reason use of an RC branch. Alright, diff in my code wrote fid instead. It's an interesting one. 6 weeks before the next release, we cut the RC branch so QA could start testing the next release. God. That seems unfortunate. Missing subs, rip, yeah. Okay. SF, pip pre, platform. Yeah, how is skip install false? pp vars test config.config. Don't know what all that is. Inf list option. Why is skip install not applying? I don't understand. How did you test bits in the Twitch chat pod? Dash bits doesn't seem to do what I thought it did. I need to do it in a separate directory because otherwise it will write to the table. John Mike is heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you. Stream is too intelligent for me. Me literally being like, what the fuck is going on is too intelligent. Doesn't seem right. Let's do these two. Yeah. Except now. Okay, it didn't actually overwrite it. But yeah. Wait a minute. It must have written the symlink and then fucked off. That's pretty funny. But yeah, that's how it works. Oh, very weird. Minami Kyle Mersua, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Skip install default. What the fuck does post process do? Parser. Add test env attribute. Nice to see you. Well, welcome to the stream. Glad you stopped by. your secrets. I gotta remember how this shit works again. Add testive attribute. Add an ini file variable for a testive section. Wait, does that mean it doesn't work at the root? Am I the idiot sandwich? I could have sworn this was a top level thing. Is it skip Estes that's the top level? Do I use this anywhere? I do. I didn't do dash L. Or I didn't do output paths. Oh. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, every single one of these is gonna show up. And never at the top level. Oh, what was that one? Shit. That one looked interesting. You're gonna get some ice cream? Nice, nice. Well, it's not. Oops, I should have done the same thing I did last time. It was kind of like right before the talks one, so maybe if we do this and then I can just try the ones slightly before that. Oh, it was the PyTest one. Yeah. Huh. Perhaps I am the idiot sandwich. That was a cursed thing that I just typed. I'm just the idiot sandwich. Alright, well, I'll fix that at work tomorrow. I'm chasing ghosts. Did this upgrade MyPy and pyupgrade? No, it didn't. Caches. How do they work? Pretty well, I guess. Alright, time to do auto update day time. Everyone's favorite ClickFest. And we will do this again next week, I guess, too. Although, I don't know when my flight gets back from TwitchCon. We'll see. Yeah, auto update day was pretty late today because MyPy bumped. But it also is getting later and later. I might experiment with increasing the parallelism just to see if I get rate limited. I'm not sure if I will, but which Ubuntu are you running? You can just do this over distro. Currently it's 2004, but I'll upgrade to 22 at some point. I have a VM for 2204, but I haven't moved all the files over, so that's why we're still on the old one. What? Oh yeah, this one's failing. Yeah. Because PyTest needs to release 7.2 and then it will be working again. Oh, that button moved. Oh, wait. No, we don't want to merge this one. Oh, look at that. It downgraded pyupgrade. I'm just going to leave that one open. And it'll get fixed next week. That's funny. That's funny. Py downgrade, yeah. It's an interesting edge case that I had not thought about. But I don't know that there's a good way to detect it. But lol caches, I feel like no one's ever going to encounter that problem except for me, so what's the point in fixing it? This is a me problem. Because it's entirely possible that someone else could have been like, oh, pyupgrade 3 released while auto update day was running, upgraded it, and then got their auto update PR and it downgraded it. Like the only way that that would happen. Oh, seems pretty unlikely. This little circle's got me nervous. Probably means I missed one of them. Those are all purple. Oh, the circle's gone. Let's go. Abdel Car, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is that like the slowest race condition ever? Yeah, the TTL on the cache is infinite. So, pretty easy to race that, but a human needs to do something in the middle usually. Too afraid to upgrade to 2204, so many things will start breaking. My machine worked pretty well. Isn't that why most of these tools were created? Because you had a problem? You had a you problem? Yeah. Kind of true. Very few things that I've made were me having a someone else problem. One of them though. Exactly one of them. Well, maybe more than one. But this stupid thing. I wish I could just delete, but it's like my second most popular // project. Oh, third. Fourth. It's more popular than my text editor, which is sad. I don't like maintaining this at all. I would love to just delete it. It's a big pile of hacks. Because I was like, I wonder if I can do this with regex. The answer is, I can kind of do this with regex, but also not really. Not sure to upgrade the distro, because I know I did this before years ago and stuff got broken. Yeah, I usually just start over. In theory, the way to upgrade a distro is to uninstall all of your PPAs, uninstall all the packages from all your PPAs, then run the dist upgrade. That's been my most reliable way to upgrade. I didn't have issues with distro upgrades. It has gotten better. It definitely has gotten better. But I once went from 1204 to 1404 to 1604 to 1804, and by the time I got to 1804, everything was fucked. Little Trucker Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I also don't have a UI. That's true. If you don't have a desktop environment, it's a little bit easier. That's definitely true. But yeah, I seem to remember I like lost the compiler toolchain at 1404. I lost the graphics at 1604. And I think I lost my like Wi-Fi drivers partway through too. Oh, I lost my keyboard driver too. And I was Here's a Bluetooth keyboard, or maybe my Bluetooth driver. So I like had to walk out and buy a keyboard. Rolling release helpful? No, that's that. See, the thing about rolling release is it would break every week rather than once every 2 years. So yeah, if you upgraded periodically and dealt with the breakage all the time, then it wouldn't be broken. But you have to deal with the breakage all the time. That's exactly the point against rolling releases. Didn't 1604 to 1804 have the networking overall? So there was the inits. I went through 3 init systems to get from 1204 to 1804. Because they did their like exonet.d or whatever the fuck it was called to upstart. Are those the same things? This thing. Yeah. They started with this, then they went to upstart. And then they went to system D. I had to do a whole bunch of that. Had no issue with Gen 2. You're more patient than others. Zarkos, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Try rolling with OpenSUSE every week. The kernel breaks in. Yeah, SUSE is yeah, a mess. What's up, dog? I don't know. Hey, what's up, Joey Bites? Hello. Been on the same installed Manjaro for probably close to 3 years now. Rare issues. Yeah, but issues nonetheless. But oh well, such is life. What else was I gonna do? I was gonna do one other thing, but maybe I should not. Oh, is this at 2000? Nope. I need 11 more of you. Click this button to get to 2000, which is crazy. Crazy town. You're gonna eat? Yeah, I'm gonna go eat food. I'm gonna go eat food. But yeah, I will fix this thing tomorrow because I'm dumb. Wait, but that runs tests. How does that work? I put this here and like this should not work. Oh, I do have this here. I do have the right thing. Fuck. What does this do then? Hang on, we're gonna do one more thing. Give Estes. Test parallel inception. What is that? Do we still have our breakpoint here? We do. If Estes equals true. That's the wrong talks. True versus true? No, it doesn't. Error. What? What the fuck? Where is this? Config.skip_sdist. Oh, it's too late. It's too late. I'll develop. I don't know. I don't care. It's slightly broken, but there's an easier way to fix it, so. Anyway. Yep. That's what we're gonna do. Alright. That's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you want to watch the spiciest video that I may ever upload on my channel, click on this one. Subscribe if this content interests you. I also upload my streams to my second channel, so if you missed any part of today's stream, you can check those out there. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Hi, J-Man. We're heading out, though. Good to see you again, though. It's been a while. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. Anton, hello, welcome. Where I announce what I'm going to work on, and then we work on it. Sometimes we do the things. I also announce my streams on Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. It's a nice little group. You just came back too, Wolf. Oh no. You hate me? I don't hate you. Why would I hate you, J-Man? I enjoy that you come to stream. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.